Silver Ships designed and built their first coastal fast response fireboat and delivered it to the Destin Fire Control District, Station 19. She measures 52 feet overall, including engines and engine guard, with a beam of 12 feet 6 inches. Let's tour her from stern to bow. This coastal fast response fireboat runs on quad 425 horsepower Yamaha outboards. The engine protection and crash guards double as a storage rack for a Stokes litter, providing easy access that keeps the engines completely clear. The fire system is the heart of this vessel. She's equipped with dual Darley PSDE fire systems, a 1,500 gallon per minute fire pump rated at 150 pounds per square inch each for a total of 3,000 gallons per minute. Darley supplies these as a complete package, and the Silver Ships team installs it and integrates all ancillary equipment. On the aft deck, port and starboard, are TFT Monsoon manual monitors with 3.5-inch discharges, each capable of supplying 2,000 gallons per minute. Up on the forward deck is a TFT Flex manual monitor with a master stream nozzle. On the roof, a TFT Flex remote control monitor with quad stack tips controlled from the panel inside the cabin. Walking the deck. Decking throughout is commercial-grade SeaDecks, while the interior decking is SkyDecks, a specialized surface engineered to absorb wave impact shock for operators underway. Hose storage runs along the port side, with roof access via ladder on the starboard side. The cabin features 3 crew stations, a patient treatment area, and a cuddy cabin. At the starboard helm station, the seat is a Lubrock Billfish captain's chair with a Shockwave S5 shock mitigating suspension module. Electronics are Simrad, navigation, communications, and all switching, including the Simrad NSS16 Evo 3S Combo MFD with transducer and the ICOM M605-11 VHF radio. At the port navigator and engineer station, a second navigation system and the fire system controls give that operator full control of the roof monitor and navigation support. Moving aft, the starboard third station carries a secondary helm control system and auxiliary cabin controls. Across the cabin, the patient treatment area features a bench with a stretcher and storage compartments below stocked with first aid and trauma supplies. The filtration cabinet houses a SafeCell NBC air filtration system, included with a multi-R AE handheld multiple chemical agent detector and a Loris Minirad V radiation detection system, while a 5-kilowatt gasoline marine generator powers a 27,000 BTU air conditioner at 230 volts AC, keeping the cabin fully air-cooled. The cuddy features a sleeping area, equipment storage, and a fully functional restroom with complete plumbing, doubling as a CBRNE American Safe Room, providing protection during chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, and high-yield exposure events. On the roof, a Whelan PFH 2P1B flood, light bar Pioneer, plus dual panel for illumination, a Teledyne, FLIR M364 CLR, premium multispectral marine camera for thermal imagery, an antenna array for communications, and a GPS system. The Seakeeper 5 gyroscopic stabilization system delivers improved crew safety and increased stability underway. The Zipwake 600S dynamic trim control system optimizes handling, fuel efficiency, and ride comfort. And ElectroGuard corrosion protection shields the vessel's metal from electrolysis and saltwater corrosion. To see more builds like this one, visit silverships.com and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite part of this boat?